हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं फ्रॉम द डायरी ऑफ एनी फ्रेंड के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। एंड यार इन एमसीक्यूज के पीडीएफ का लिंक तुम्हें नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। सो अगर तुमको लगता है तुमने स्टोरी अच्छे से पढ़ रखी है तो जाके तुम लोग डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो। चलो बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। व्हाट इज अ स्टूडेंट ट्रेट? ऑप्शन ए वॉकिंग, ऑप्शन बी टॉकिंग, ऑप्शन सी रनिंग, ऑप्शन डी स्टडिंग। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज talking. Next question comes here. Who was Mr. Gazing? Option A, Annie's father. Option B, Annie's maths teacher. Option C, Annie's uncle. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is Annie's maths teacher. Next question comes here. When was Annie's born? Option A, on 12th June 1929. Option B, on 12th June 1930. Option C, on 12th June 1931. Option D, on 12th June 1932, and the correct answer is on 12th June 1929. Next question comes here. What do most people do in their diary? Option A, about their hobby. Option B, write fact. Option C, write their happiest moment. Option D, none of the above, and the correct answer is write facts. Next question comes here. Who was Annie's true friend? Option A, her pen kitty. Option B, her cat kitty. Option C, her diary kitty. Option D, none of the above, and the correct answer is her diary kitty. Next question comes here. How old was Annie's father when he married her mother? Option A, 34. Option B, 35. Option C, 36. Option D, 32, and the correct answer is 36. Next question comes here. What was the name of Annie's Frank's sister? Option A, Margaret. Option B, Margaret. Option C, Mary. Option D, Martina, and the correct answer is Margaret. Next question comes here. What was Annie Frank's full name? Option A, Annalisa Mary Frank. Option B, Anna Miriam Frank. Option C, Annie Mark Frank. Option D, Annalisa Martina Frank. And the correct answer is Annalisa Marina Franks. Next question comes here. Why did she not want to give a brief in the diary at first? Option A, she did not want to be formal. Option B, she wanted the diary to be her real friend. Option C, she did not like the idea. Option D, both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Next question comes here. When was the diary given to Annie? Option A, 11th birthday. Option B, 12th birthday. Option C, 13th birthday. Option D, 14th birthday. And the correct answer is 13th birthday. Next question comes here. What would the kids bet about in class? Option A, who is more talkative. Option B, who would pass the class. Option C, football matches. Option D, baseball matches. And the correct answer is who would pass the class. Next question comes here. Why does Annie think she was lonely? Option A, she had no friend. Option B, she had no real friends. Option C, she was all alone. Option D, she was an introvert. And the correct answer is she had no real friends. Next question comes here. How did Annie justify her being talkative in the essay? Option A, she discussed the subject topics in class. Option B, it is a habit. Option C, it is an inherited trait from her mother and you can't do much. Option D, the class is boring. And the correct answer is it is an inherited trait from her mother and you can't do much about it. Next question comes here. Which topic was she to write an essay on as a part of her punishment? Option A, chatterbox. Option B, incorrigible chatterbox. Option C, quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Next question comes here. Which subject was she not sure of passing? Option A, maths. Option B, science. Option C, English. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is maths. Next question comes here. What did she name her diary? Option A, Annie. Option B, Catty. Option C, Kitty. Option D, Kitten. And the correct answer is Kitty. Next question comes here. Who would Annie allow to read her diary? Option A, her sister. Option B, her parent. Option C, a real friend. Option D, no one. And the correct answer is a real friend. Next question comes here. Why was writing in diary a strange experience for Annie? Option A, she had never written anything before. Option B, she did not know how to write. Option C, neither she nor anyone else would be interested in it later. Option D, both A and C. And the correct answer is both A and C. Next question comes here. Why does Annie want to keep a diary? Option A, because she has no close friend. Option B, because she loves to write. Option C, because she wants people to read about her later. Option D, she likes the idea of it. And the correct answer is she has no close friends. Next question comes here. Why does she give a brief sketch about her family in the diary? Option A, no one would understand if it she dove right in. Option B, to introduce Kitty to her family. Option C, she would forget facts about her family. Option D, she liked talking about her family. And the correct answer is no would understand it if she dove right in. Next question comes here. Why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with her? Option A, she was not a good student. Option B, she was talkative. Option C, she was rude. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is she was talkative. Next question comes here. What language was this diary originally written in? Option A, Spanish. Option B, English. Option C, Dutch. Option D, French. And the correct answer is Dutch. Next question comes here. What shows Annie's love for her grandmother? Option A, she still thinks about her. Option B, she misses her. Option C, she let her birthday pass with little celebration. Option D, both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Next question comes here. Why was she unable to get closer to her already existing friend? Option A, because she did not like her friend. Option B, her friends are not understanding. Option C, she can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is she can't bring herself to talk about personal stuff. Next question comes here. What name was her book published with? Option A, From the Diary of Annie Frank. Option B, Diary of a Young Girl. Option C, Annie Frank. Option D, Annie Frank's Diary. And the correct answer is Diary of a Young Girl. Next question comes here. Who was the only survivor from Annie's family? Option A, Annie. Option B, Annie's father. Option C, Annie's mother. Option D, Annie's sister. And the correct answer is Annie's father. Next question comes here. In which city were Annie and Margaret sent to live with their grandmother? Option A, Berlin. Option B, Aachen. Option C, Munich. Option D, Bonn. And the correct answer is Aachen. Next question comes here. What was the subject on which she had to write? Option A, necessity of walking. Option B, necessity of running. Option C, necessity of talking. Option D, necessity of studying. And the correct answer is necessity of talking. Next question comes here. How does the Annie explain his father? Option A, most adorable father. Option B, most angry father. Option C, most delicate father. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is most adorable father. Next question comes here. How does she want to begin her diary? Option A, by writing her name. Option B, by giving an introduction. Option C, by writing about her hobby. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is by giving an introduction. Next question comes here. Mr. Kissing had assigned to the Annie the task of option A, drawing a scene. Option B, collecting stamps. Option C, painting a glass. Option D, writing an essay. And the correct answer is writing an essay. Next question comes here. Annie's argument about talking was that option A, talking is a fundamental right. Option B, talking is a student's trait. Option C, talking is a birthright. Option D, talking is a duty. And the correct answer is talking is a student's trait. Next question comes here. Annie would never be able to cure herself of this habit since option A, her mother also talked much. Option B, her father also talked much. Option C, her grandma also talked much. Option D, her grandpa also talked much. And the correct answer is her mother also talked much. Next question comes here. The word trait means option A, particular quantity. Option B, particular quality. Option C, particular touch. Option D, particular lesson. And the correct answer is particular quality. Next question comes here. The subject Mr. Kissing was teaching to the class was option A, physics. Option B, sociology. Option C, maths. Option D, English. And the correct answer is mathematics. Next question comes here. Annie's father was 36 years old when option A, he got married. Option B, he had a job. Option C, he was jailed. Option D, he fought a war. And the correct answer is he got married. Next question comes here. Her father emigrated to Holland in option A, 1930. Option B, 1928. ऑप्शन सी 1930, ऑप्शन डी 1937 and the correct answer is 1933. Next question comes here. Annie and her sister was sent to Ashen to stay. Option A with their neighbor, option B with their uncle, option C with their grandpa, option D with their grandma. And the correct answer is with their grandma. Next question comes here. The word incorrigible means option A that can't be fooled, option B that can't be judged, option C that can't be corrected, option D that can't be made. And the correct answer is that can't be corrected. Next question comes here. The character traits of Annie were option A talkative and quarrelsome, option B patient and nicky, option C smiling and cheerful, option D talkative and patient. And the correct answer is talkative and patient. तो गाइस यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे पीडीएफ की जो लिंक है उससे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। और चैनल पे नए हो तो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, बिकॉज जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय।